Hi everyone, I am Victor. Before I start today's topic, I want to thank all of you for the supports, especially to my subscriber who have helped me to achieve the 1K subscriber. I am very grateful and will continue to make more videos to help you pass your driving test. Please continue to support me and comment below for any question. I will try my very best to answer. Once again, thank you so much.
Important road markings inside the circuit. Making right turn from the wrong lane. Take note of the directional arrows inside the circuit. The red circles, especially for private students who are not very familiar with the circuit. There are a lot of tests making a right turn at the wrong lane, especially after doing the slope. Turning to the wrong lane at the slope. Use the stop line as a guide. Do not turn into this lane. It is meant for oncoming vehicles. Making a right turn after S-course or crank course. When asked to make a right turn, testee tend to turn to the wrong lane. You can use the center solid white line as a guide in term of direction. Emergency braking. Please prepare yourself for e-brake whenever you are driving on a straight road. Yellow box. The red car will need to stop before the yellow box. The yellow box is meant for turning car from the crank course. Pedestrian crossing. Slow down when approaching zebra crossing for pedestrians. Making a right turn from major to minor road. The blue car has the right of way. The red car is from the minor road because of the stop line. Stop line. Look at the stop line and stop your car completely before checking the traffic.